Business Cal, Topic 5, Homework Problems number 46 and 47. We want to evaluate this from 4 to 5, this function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out of the denominator, x squared plus 4, and this will become 4x times x squared plus 4 to the negative 1 power, and that's dx. I'm going to pull the 4 out, so this will be 4, and then 4 to 5, x squared plus 4 to the negative 1 dx. And I'll establish this right here as my u. So if u is x squared plus 4, this implies du will be 2x times dx. So I need a dx x and a 2. I have a dx x. I'm going to include a 2 here and put the reciprocal of 2 on the outside. Now what I have is this becomes 2, the integration here, and the values here. This is x equals 4. Well, if x is 4, this means we have 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. So now u is 20. Here, this is x equals 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and plus 4 makes 29. So now this is u equals 29. This becomes u to the negative 1 power, and this right here with this all becomes du. Now when I take the antiderivative of this, I get 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of u, and that's evaluated from 20 to 29. So I'm going to put 29 in here, so I'll get 2, a natural log of absolute value of 29, minus 2 again, natural log, and I'll put 20 in here, of 20. And I can leave this like this, and I don't have to actually evaluate these. Okay. Next, number 47. Number 47, I want to convert this. Okay, this is from 3 to 4. I want to convert this into the integral from 3 to 4 of x squared times x cubed minus 3 to the negative 1 power. This denominator, I'm going to make it a term that's to the negative 1 power, and then dx. Okay, and from there, let's see, I'll call this my u. So u is going to equal x cubed minus 3. This implies that du equals 3x squared times dx. Now I have for the du, I need dx, x squared, and 3. I have a dx, an x squared, but now to add the 3 there, get 3x, and then put on the outside 1/3. So we have 3x squared, x cubed, minus 3 to negative 1. Okay, so all of this is my u, and all of this right here represents my du. So it's all evaluated from 3 to 4. These are x's right here. The 3 and the 4, those are x values. So I have my 1/3 here, and my x value here would be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, minus 3, which is 24. So this is u equals 24 instead of the x value. And here, 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. 64 minus 1 is 61. So this will be u equals 61. So these are my new limits of integration. All of this becomes u to the negative 1 power, and this becomes du. Okay. Now we'll take the antiderivative. We will get 1/3 times the natural log of u, all evaluated from 24 to 61. Okay, so we'll put these together. We'll have 1/3 natural log of 61 minus 1/3 natural log of 24. Okay, now these two can be simplified a little more. I can combine these two logarithms by making these 2 natural log of 29 divided by 20. And this one can be combined to be a 1/3 natural log of 61 over 24. So any one of these would be correct.